I believe a lot of problem which we are facing, and including Palestine and the Jews, the problem. You see, I feel our own creation and Tibetan problem, Chinese, Tibetan, these, you see, we too much emphasis separation. We Tibetan, Chinese, and Jewish, Palestine. Then you see these problems. After all, we all same human being, mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same. And we all, according to some scientists, you see, they say basic human nature is compassionate. There is sufficient reason. When we're born, say, our mother take full care and give us milk out of compassion, love. No question, next few years, without mother's love, we can't survive. That basically, even biologically, we are a social animal. Social animal, even very, very able one individual cannot survive without other community. So therefore, biologically, we equipped love or sort of sense of concern or community. And now time come, we should start. You should have built sense of human community. My sort of empty dream, firstly, demilitarized the world. And then secondly, the political boundary eventually, I think, no longer good. Each community live side by side with sort of sense of community. European Union, among the member states, is in no danger, conflict, killing, violence. So I always see telling people, European Union, the spirit of European Union, that kind of spirit, I think should develop in Africa. Firstly, East Africa, North Africa, West Africa, South Africa, like that. Some kind of union. Then Latin America. So now, I feel a lot of problem which essentially our own creation. The only remedy is not weapon, not money, not United Nations resolution, but we need a sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. Each their own unique cultural heritage. Culture not created by government or even United Nations. Different culture created by evolutionary way. So it suits people. So it is very important to keep one's own cultural heritage. Important is we are the same human being. And different culture, different language, different faith is private business. And the thing is, we have to live together, harmoniously, friendly, mutual respect. Now, time comes, we should make effort to develop a sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. We are a human community. The future of humanity depends not in individual country, but entire humanity.